want to see that vision, if you want putting that work in, if you want with me shooting in the gym, baby, you won't be around. Some people take off quicker than others. It's nothing wrong with that. You need to congratulate that person. Don't be a bitter bitch. I'm doing a December class, a December special for my wig page, and it was supposed to be to where my classes are like discounted to like $200, $300 from the original price, and I was going to do that. Well, I'm going to do that for all of December. I'm doing it at Jess Nail Bar, so it has to be every Monday. I need to do the flyers, get the kits available, get everything together, and I feel like I'm fumbling my own bag because now it's what, December 7th or 8th. I could always extend the special into January, but I kind of just wanted it only for a December special, but it's okay because I'm gonna just extend it. But people ask me all the time about sewing machine classes. I have everything written out. I have the full plan. It's just my procrastination of making the flyers or making a website. Not necessarily just procrastination. I be busy. Like anything I say I'm going to do, I do it. Like I don't just be talking. I don't like to be a talker. I like to be a doer. Right now I'm going to Jess House. Anytime I go to Jess House, I do get business done, whether it's recording, whether it's editing, whether it's putting a price list together. That's the type of people I want to be around. I want to be around people that can help motivate me as well. You need to be around people that motivate you. They don't necessarily have to be in your same field because she does nails, I do hair. We're both trying to do YouTube now, but she's an entrepreneur. She knows that days get really, really hard. It struggles with the business. No matter how much money you get, it's still always going to be a struggle because you always have to invest, but you also have bills. The bills never stop. You know, you could go open up a shop right now. You still got rent, and now you have shop rent. You know, it's a lot that goes in it. What people don't understand, businesses is not all just great days, sunny days, you get paid every day. One month might be the best month you had all year, and then the next month after that might be trash. I don't want people to get discouraged, unmotivated. Some people literally just quit their business because as much as they're putting in it, they're not seeing it come back out of it. You shouldn't even start a business if you're planning on giving up, or if you think you're discouraged, or if you're insecure, or if you feel like it will never be. If you feel like it can never be what you dream of, then you don't need to do it because you're not going to put that work in to make sure your dream come true. And it took me a very, very long time to find my vendor. And this is another thing, because I always felt like other people were providing the hair, they were further than me, but the whole time no one took, I mean, they might have, or nobody took their time to make sure they're putting out quality versus just putting something out to get paid. I could have been did that. If I wanted to sell vendor lists, if I wanted to sell anything, I could sell it. But me personally, I don't like cheap stuff, so why would I want my clients to have cheap stuff? You know what I'm saying? Hair ain't nothing to play with. You need to make sure you're not just putting out bullshit. Of course, people that come to me, that's been to other people, tell me how other wig makers are, and I have heard very bad things, you know what I'm saying? And I would never, ever in a million years want anyone to be able to say anything bad about my brand. That's just me. And yes, it might take years. Yes, it might take you longer, but it's nothing wrong with that because you got to start somewhere. Everybody started somewhere. Some people take off quicker than others. It's nothing wrong with that. You need to congratulate that person. Don't be a bitter bitch. Rule of the day, don't be a bitter bitch. Because if you have friends that's in the same field, different field, whatever, that's doing better than you always need to be in a congratulating mood. You always need to be grateful and thankful for that friend, because that friend could be putting you on game to something, could be motivating you to something. They could be opening a whole new world that you clearly knew nothing about. So you always want to be happy, genuinely happy for your friends. Never no conniving, bitter ass shit. Nowadays, people support popularity versus talent. So not necessarily better, but if they grow quicker, that has nothing to do with you. That has nothing to do with the content you put out. That has nothing to focus on you. You have to have tunnel vision. Look at people as motivation. I look at Jess as motivation. We both want to be so much bigger. Just being with someone that I, in my opinion, feel is big, and they still want this, they still have the same hunger as me, they still have the same motivation as me. That's people I want to keep myself around. I have friends that may not ever want to be entrepreneurs, but when I speak on things, or when I post a video, or when I do something, they're literally like, keep going. Like, they're supportive as fuck. You should not have any friends that just cannot support you, that can't see the vision. If they don't see the vision, they're not your friend. I've had friends that would literally, when I wanted to start YouTube, it was literally like, oh no, too many people do that, so many people have done that, blah 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 blah. That has nothing to do with me. Don't ever be that friend and be like, oh, don't do something because such and such and such and such and such is doing it. That has nothing to do with me, ever. And I had friends that literally held me back. It's not cool. It's not a good feeling. It's just nothing you want to be around, honestly. You definitely want to keep yourself surrounded by people that has the same hunger as you, the same motivation, that sees bigger visions than the now. If you don't feel like you can be the top person of whatever you're doing, cocky or not, bitch, be cocky, because that's what's getting motherfuckers in that door. So all the insecurities, all the procrastination, all that, it just has to go out the window. You have to go work for what you want, regardless of what it is you're doing. Hard work pays off. I promise you it does. Don't let no boyfriend, cousin, sister, brother, mama, daddy hold you back. And sometimes it hurts when your family or your friends don't support you the way you feel they should, or they might not support you at all. We've all been there. We've all been there. I don't know one entrepreneur that didn't run into some bullshit with their family or friends that they might have had to cut off or whatever, just because it hurts when the people that's closest to you don't put in that same energy that you're putting in. I've cut off so many people. And it hurt my feelings. For a long time, it did hurt my feelings. But it don't hurt today, baby. And when it comes to family, you know, that's always going to be a sore to pick. But when it comes to friends, you got to trust and know in your heart. When a motherfucker don't support, don't have faith, don't have nothing, they don't see you as, oh, you can be what you think you can be, that ain't your friend. So the hurt and the pain for that will eventually erase. I don't care how long you've known them. I don't care about none of that shit. If a bitch don't put in that energy, or if a bitch want to compare you to whoever else, if a bitch don't see the vision, that bitch ain't your friend. And if you letting a bitch speak on it that don't even know half of what she talking about but got an opinion about what you doing, now you the dummy. I don't have a set check. I gotta grind and I gotta work hard for mine. Every dime I have, I gotta grind for mine. It don't just fall in my lap, baby. And it never did. And even if it is falling in my lap, it's because that work I put in for it to get like, oh, this bitch got clients every day. I put that work in. And I don't answer to nobody. It's absolutely nothing wrong with having your 9 to 5. It's absolutely nothing wrong with punching somebody's clock. But me, I'm not doing it. I never did it. I had 2 jobs in my life. Both of those jobs lasted for all of 2 months and I quit. So baby, if I was to try to go in the working world right now, bitches might not even take me serious because I have no work experience. And I don't feel bad saying that. I don't want to work for nobody else. I want to make sure my business, my shit is legit to where people can work for me. If you couldn't see that vision, if you won't put in that work in, if you won't with me shooting in the gym, baby, you won't be around. But it's hard work, sleepless nights. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into my business. Just for a bitch to come around and be around because they said they were your friend. You ain't even got to spend money to be a bitch friend. You ain't got to invest in a business to be a bitch supportive friend. That be my issue with bitches, because it literally takes nothing I literally support all of my friends. You sell lashes, I'm about to buy 2, 3 pair. You do nails, bitch, you're my only nail tech, literally. And even if I didn't have that bread to spend, I would still make sure I at least share the post, because it literally takes nothing. Y'all be so pressed on these celebrities. Oh, if Ari, if Nikki, if whoever drops something right now, y'all gonna be so pressed. These people would never talk to you a day in your life. These people would never hang out with you a day in your life. These people are nobodies to you. If you can't put the energy you would put into a celebrity, into your friends, you're a trash ass bitch. And that's just how I feel. And you don't deserve to be around me. Moral of this story is to literally stay patient, stay faithful, stay motivated, stay blessed. Keep your surroundings clear. Don't have nobody in your corner that you gotta look behind your back. You gotta think twice about it. It probably don't need to be in your life, because you don't have to second guess your friends. Some shit just don't be worth your energy. Like, just do what's best for you. Do what's best for your brand. I love my friends. I love everybody that's got something going for themselves. I hope that y'all have a very blessed 2020. If wherever you're working in right now isn't what you want to be doing, I pray that 2020 holds new blessings and new lessons for you. Don't be stagnant. Just make sure you're working. That's on JT, period. That's all I really got. I mean, that's all I wanted to say. You know, a little something.